One of the things I like to do is a deep watering once every week or two, and if there's a rainwater barrel, the plant can actually just be placed right into the barrel and then let it have a good drink for 5 or 10 minutes, and then drain it completely before hanging it back up again until there are no little rivulets running off the plant. It may take a couple minutes just to let it drip all the way, and then that can be repeated with all the other hanging plants. And I find this is the easiest way to water when things are really hot and dry, because then you know they're getting a fantastic soaking, and it's a lot easier to actually just dunk the plant and let it soak for a few minutes than trying to cover all the spots with a watering can. I'll just let that drip off. Because we don't want to waste anything. I love the sound of running water. It always reminds me of the calm and peaceful rainfall. And it's good to just take a moment and breathe and enjoy the garden, enjoy your flowers, enjoy the time outside and soak in that vitamin D. Alright, I think we're almost at the end of the drips, and we'll go and hang this up. I'll place it next to another plant, so if anything is still dripping off, it will drip onto the plant below. The last few drips can just run into the soil, and we'll get to enjoy the flowers for a little longer. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you can keep your hanging plants beautiful and flowering for as long as possible.